going to do an unboxing for what month it is, September. I feel like this year is going by so fast and I can't believe it. So again, if you haven't watched any of my other ones, I receive 3 different subscriptions every single month, one from Birchbox, one from Boxycharm, and the last one is my Sephora Playbox. So as many of you have heard, Boxycharm came out with Boxy Luxe and it looked like fire. I didn't participate this time, but I will be participating in December and I cannot wait to find out what I received. I wasn't sure how it was gonna go or how I was gonna feel about the new products that they were gonna give, but they really did a great job. So I'm a little jealous and I wish I would have done it, but you know what? Things happen for a reason and I was glad to see kind of what they got. But for those of you who didn't, like me, we are starting with the Boxycharm little one. And the theme is Wildflower. And I am loving this look. So starting with Pretty Vulgar, this is the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, it looks so pretty. Look how cute this is. Oh, it opens up. And how awesome are these shades for this time of year? We are going into fall and this is all so appropriate for this time of weather. I mean, eventually we'll get there here in Florida, but that's okay. I'm loving, these are great for smokiness. It is amazing and I cannot wait to play around with it. So the next one is by Laura Geller. This is the Bake Blush and Brighten. That's what it comes in. And I believe I've actually kind of experimented with this before, but it looks like a great choice for me. Definitely a great choice for me. Look how pretty that blush is. Oh my god. So definitely gonna be using this one. Yes. What's next on the list? Oh yay! I get the Alamar Cosmetics brush set. So if you saw before, I got the Alamar palette somewhere around here. And they did make these 3 cute little brushes that go with it. And now finally I have them. So we got a nice little blending brush, a stiffer like concealer brush, and a good liner brush. Definitely awesome to add to the collection. So cute. Thank you. And then we have Hank and Harry liquid lipstick. This is the matte liquid lipstick petal pusher. Oh. And how awesome is this color? So this is what it looks like. It looks like a lipstick and it looks like it would pop up, but it doesn't. I am loving this. And this color is fire. Yes, I would definitely wear this. So love. And then the last one to seal the deal is Butter London Glaze Lustrous Liner. So this is what it looks like. And it is Shake Me Up. So it is an actual eyeliner. And I know you can't, oh yeah, you can tell. It has little sparkles in it. Oh, this is gonna be so perfect for Halloween. So completely in love with everything in this Boxycharm. They have been my solid choice for the past 3 months. I'm in love with how they pick out their stuff. So in love. I think they have great things, and I love to feature the products that they give to me. So I can't complain, Boxycharm. You're doing a fabulous job, and you will have my business for a long time. Next is the Birchbox. So this is thank you for helping us shape our story. This is what it looks like. Alrighty. So they're just talking about all like the appreciation, how they started off. It's 8 years of Birchbox. That's kind of cool. I did not know that. Really awesome. So starting with Benefit Cosmetics, this is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Gel, and it's in number 3, which is interesting. I wonder why they picked number 3. But it's pretty much the one that I've been using already. The only thing is that it's in a different color. The color is a little lighter. Guess I can try it out, but I usually go with the number 5 because my hair is a little darker and this is meant for lighter, but we'll see. So this is the little mini sample version of it. I already love this, so they sold me on that one. What's next? It's Kiehl's Night Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil, and this is what it looks like. This is actually a lot. I smell anything from it. Oh. Maybe because of this. So it looks like it has like green tree oil. That's what it smells like. I don't see it here. I don't know, but let's read. Botanical oils, other things, dissolve stubborn makeup and grime as this cleanser lathers from oil to a milk. Oh. Got it. So it helps, it's kind of like an oil cleansing remover. Alright, and next one is MAC Cosmetics. This is the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Eyelash Mascara. So that is what I got. Let's check out the bristle. Okay, so this one I would categorize as a combing bristle. So this is the one that will help to brush your lashes out and get them nice and extended. So worth a try. Alright, next is number 4. This is a smoothing balm. And I guess it's meant to minimize frizz, touchable texture, protects against heat damage. And yeah. So I've tried some of their products before and they've been okay. So it's not like gonna be my number 1 favorite. So this one, however, Good Genes by Sunday Riley, I love. What I don't love about it is the price point. So it is $105 to almost $160. Yeah, it's kind of painful spending that kind of money, but it is really awesome. My only downside to it is that it smells like dead roses. Not my favorite smell, but it does do its job, so I can't complain. So it's worth a try. Okay, so we also got a bonus, which is the Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. And this is how it came. So I hate when I get packaging like this because it makes it a mission to try, and if you don't use it all, like, it's so hard to try and reuse because there's nothing to seal it up. Like, you have to like figure out to fold it or something. I wish they would just give me this in a bottle, like, or in a little pot, one or the other. but I hate, like, please guys, can you stop giving me samples like this? I really dislike it. So that was everything from Birchbox. Again, they haven't been super solid with me. This one was more of the better ones that they've given. Yeah, so I like it mostly for the skincare, but hasn't been all that great on the skincare part. And our last one is the Playbox. So I dumped out, I had already opened it so it would make it so much easier, and I dumped it out and it came in this box, like, well, this bag technically. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, I know I throw away the bags anyways, but meh. I feel like it was really kind of weak on Sephora. But whatever. So this one is Next Gen Beauty. And we are starting with the Olehenriksen Truth Serum. So this is Brightens Age Defying All Day Hydration. And if I could figure out how to open it, maybe we'd be in good shape. So I can't open it that way, I'm gonna open it this way. So it infuses skin with potent antioxidants. This powerful serum helps brighten, firm, and revive and smooth skin. It's like a daily multivitamin for healthy and radiant looking glow. Oh. Well, I love serums. For someone who has oily skin, serums are your best friend because they dry really easy, and I'm actually kind of excited to try this out. This looks super cute. Oh. So next on the list is Clinique. So dramatically different hydrating jelly. That's what it looks like. So a weightless, oil-free water jelly that cares for skin's moisture barrier and protects it from pollutants. Interesting. Definitely going to try it. And next is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So not my favorite. I didn't really notice much of a difference when I was using it. Plus it does nothing for the oil control, which is what I need the most. That's the best thing I can say about this. This is just not my type of product for me personally, but that doesn't mean that will not work for you. Alright, and then we have the Marc Jacobs Beauty. This is the Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon, and it comes in the brownie color. That's what it looks like I got. So this is what it is. So you can see that there. It's not bad, and I like how it glides on. I really like gel liners because I don't want to be tugging and pulling, and brown has been my new thing. Because I was like, I mean, as much as I love black, it's nice. It's a little softer and it's a little easier on the eyes, and it's very good for older clients. So definitely worth a ring around. The next one is the Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Instantly amps up lashes for big volume, saturated black pigments, thicker, bolder, blah blah blah. Oh, it's by the Sephora collection. Oh, this is a big sample too. So let's open up and see the bristles. Ooh. So it's a little hard to see, but it actually goes wide, thin, wide. If if I'm looking at it right. So it would be definitely one of my finishers. It's one of those ones that are meant to make it nice and bold and filling. So looks promising. Then our last one and bonus is, of course, my favorite. It is the Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I am in love with this brand. I loved the Aqua Balm. This was no different. Again, why couldn't they give me a pot? Oh well, this will definitely be gone. So that is everything for this month. Obviously, if I really enjoy something, you will see it because I will definitely be featuring it. So it looks like a lot of prep for the end of summer and going into our winter time. Yeah. So again, I can't wait for the looks. I am so excited to show you guys. So when I get it, you will definitely know. Until next time, loves, if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and always follow me on the makeup phase. Bye, babes.